So you want to blow up on YouTube and grow your audience, but how in the world do you do that when you're starting off with 0 views and 0 subscribers? My name is Matt Parr. I run 9 different YouTube channels, and I've grown channels to over 1 million subscribers profitably without ever showing my face, but that's another story. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can grow on YouTube from scratch, and just to illustrate to you that these methods are actually working, I took a channel from 0 to 500,000 subscribers in a single year doing this method. So these methods are actually working, and you're going to be discovering them from someone who's actually doing this. There's a lot of people on YouTube giving you advice on how to grow on YouTube, giving you quote-unquote secrets about how to grow on YouTube, but there's not much actual substance there. I'm going to be showing you actual secrets on how you can blow up on YouTube that I've seen hardly anybody talk about online. So if that sounds good, stick around, watch this video until the end. Also, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss when I come out with regular videos showing you how you can succeed with YouTube. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video. So in this video, I'm going to be going over 9 different tips on how to grow on YouTube from 0, and one of the biggest mistakes that I see people making that's causing their channel not to grow. So without further ado, let's jump right into the 9 tips. Tip number 1 is to just get started. I see so many people out there talking about starting YouTube channels, saying they're going to start, but then waiting months before they actually start on YouTube. It's imperative that you just get started. This is one of the biggest hurdles that you can jump over and jump into the game of actually doing YouTube. And your first videos might be your worst videos in the world, but at least you're laying down the foundation on which you can improve on these videos. And the more videos you upload, the more optimization data you have, and the more you can review this data and optimize on this data, double down on what's working, and cut out the rest. So it's imperative that you just get started. And also, you could always just get lucky and blow up right away. There's lots of channels that get very lucky in the beginning and blow up right away, and you'll never know if that could have been you if you don't at least give it a shot. But with that being said, do not give up if you don't blow up right away, because later in this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can optimize based off the data you're getting on your channel, and I'm going to show you exactly how I've had channels that I don't think are going to take off. You know, I upload 50 videos before one of them finally takes off, and these are channels that are now making me $5,000 to $10,000 per month each, and I almost have given up on so many channels that have turned out to be real winners. Just small tweaks in the content, small tweaks in the metadata, small tweaks on these videos have actually made these channels blow up when I thought they were complete duds. So do not give up with that being said, and it's imperative that you just get started. Tip number 2 is to focus on a single niche. I see so many people on YouTube uploading basketball videos one day, top 10 videos the next day, drone videos the next day, and you're never going to get the success that you want on YouTube by doing this. It's imperative that you upload videos only in a singular niche. And why is that important? Well, just take a look at some of the top channels on YouTube. You'll notice that most of them upload videos in a single niche, and that has a large part to do with the success of their channels. And now, why does uploading videos in a single niche work so well on YouTube? Well, the reason it works so well is because when you upload videos in a single niche, you build a backlog of content that people can go back on. So for example, when you upload videos in a single niche, let me give you this channel that you're watching right now. For example, I only uploaded videos when I started this channel on how to make money on YouTube. And this, in turn, it did a couple things. First of all, it implemented similar metadata, meaning that all of my titles, descriptions, tags, all of those things were very similar on my videos. And I got my own videos into the suggested placement of my own videos. So people would go in viewer feedback loops, watching one video, watching another video, watching another video. And all I had to do is get a little bit of search traffic by going for low competition, high search volume keywords, get a little bit of search traffic, and then leverage that search traffic into suggested video traffic. And this is how you can truly blow up on YouTube. It's exactly how I had a video get 166,000 views within the first 20 videos that I uploaded. I know these numbers might not sound good, but this is for a personal brand channel. I also run channels where I don't show my face, and I run top 10 channels, countdown channels, animation channels, and channels in a wide variety of niches, even in different languages. And it's all of my channels, I make sure to stick in a single niche. And if you're going to be doing something in a different niche, you can always run multiple channels, but make sure that each channel that you run is in a singular niche. And this will have a large part to do with your success on the platform if you upload videos in a single niche. And in those other channels that I run in other niches, I've had over 10 videos get over 10 million views each, over 70 videos with over 1 million views each. So I like to think that I know at least a little about what I'm talking about, and I want to share with you so you can take this knowledge yourself and run with it and be successful on YouTube. Tip number 4 is to make content that people actually want to see. Now, I don't want to sound harsh, but I see so many different YouTube channels out there that frankly make content that nobody wants to see. And it really frustrates me when I see these channels because little small tweaks could actually make their channels blow up, but they're producing this type of content that nobody actually wants to watch. Now, how do you know what content that people actually want to watch? In order to give you the most value that I possibly can with this video, I'm going to actually jump on my computer here and walk you through exactly how you can find the best content to watch and the best tool for doing so. So the tool that I recommend is a tool called vidIQ. I'll leave a link down in the description where you can get vidIQ if you want. So anyways, when you install vidIQ, it'll be a little Chrome extension that goes on your Chrome browser, and it'll add some extra things on YouTube. For example, it'll add some extra analytics up here. But more importantly, if you go onto the left-hand side of YouTube and you go down to right here, the most viewed button, you'll see this. This will be a new button that vidIQ will put on your YouTube dashboard. And when you click this button right here, this will show you literally the most viewed YouTube videos on all of YouTube, okay? Not just in your country, not just in different languages, even though you can sort by different languages and everything right here. As you can see, you can sort by different countries and categories and everything. But for example, let's say that you were uploading videos in the tech niche. So for example, you can literally just search tech on YouTube, search that term, and this will literally show you the top tech videos on YouTube. You can sort this by the past month, the past 6 months. You can sort this by views. You can sort this by engagements. And what I recommend doing is sorting it by views and then going by the past week. And this will show you videos uploaded in the past week that have the highest amount of views. And these will be videos that you know are already proven on YouTube. Obviously, don't copy the videos. Don't just say exactly what they say in the video. Put the videos in your own words, make the content unique, and this is how you can get a ton of views on YouTube. You can also look at the past month, the past 6 months. I really recommend staying in about the past week because these are videos that are blowing up right now. But the more videos that you create, you'll be looking for more ideas, and this is how you can never run out of video ideas as well. Go to the past 6 months. These are videos that are guaranteed to work, and YouTube does work in cycles as well, so YouTube wants as much videos uploaded to the platform as possible. So the more videos that you can upload, the better. And even if this video went viral, say 4 months ago, 11 million views, another version of that video can definitely go viral again. There's so many different variations of singular videos that have blown up time and time again by different artists and different creators and different content companies remaking these videos and uploading them on the platform. And these videos can get a lot of views, 11.9 million views right there. Tip number 5 is to keep people on YouTube. So YouTube, the way YouTube works is that they want to keep people kept on the platform for as long as possible, which makes sense. YouTube's a business, right? And they make the most amount of money the longer that people stay on the platform. The more ads they can show to them, the more stuff they can sell, and overall, the more money that YouTube can make. So how do you tap into this and really get the most out of YouTube? And if you can keep people on the platform, YouTube will literally give you all the views, all the rankings that you could ever want. So how do you keep people on YouTube? Well, one of the top ways that I recommend doing this is by making sequential videos. Now, what are sequential videos? So let's say, for example, you upload a video titled The Top 10 Fastest Cars, and your video gets 10 million views. So this is a proven piece of content that's proven to work on the platform, referenced by the fact that you uploaded it. Now, let's say that you make a Top 10 Fastest Cars Part 2, and then you can actually link to the second video in the pinned comment section, in cards in the video, and in end screens in the video, and in the description of the original video that got 10 million views. Direct that traffic to this new top 10 fastest cars video that you uploaded, and this is what I like to call sequential videos. And you don't have to stop there. You can make a part 3, a part 4, but it's imperative that you start uploading content so you can see the content that starts working and then start making sequential videos, keeping people on YouTube, getting people in these viewer feedback loops, and this really goes into staying in the same niche as well. This can also help keep people on YouTube as well, but really making sequential videos helps with this a ton too. Session time, which is the amount of time that people spend on the YouTube platform, as well as watch time, are some of the most important metrics on YouTube. Tip number 6 is to get people watching your videos. So none of this matters, having the best video in the world, anything like that, if you don't actually get people to watch your videos, right? So how in the world do you actually do that? Well, a couple things play into what's called click-through rate, which is a percentage of people who click to watch your videos in either the suggested video feed and browse features and YouTube search, or any of the different places that your videos can show up within the YouTube platform, with the opportunity for someone to click your videos. And it's a percentage of people who click to watch your video compared to all the other videos that are shown as well. So how do you actually increase this percentage rate, also known as click-through rate, in order to make the most amount of money on YouTube, get the most amount of views, and really get people watching your videos? Well, two major things play into click-through rate: your titles and your thumbnails. So you, for example, could remake a proven video that's already proven to work, put it in your own words and everything like that, make it 10 minutes long, because YouTube loves videos that are longer than 10 minutes as well. There's another bonus tip. And also put a better thumbnail, and that video could absolutely blow up, do better than the original video that you're modeling. So YouTube tells us that click-through rates on YouTube, the vast majority of videos have between a 2 and 5% click-through rate. So if you can do better than that, you're doing better than most videos on YouTube. So I generally like to look for at least a 6% click-through rate on my YouTube videos. And if a video underperforms that 6% click-through rate, what I do is I actually go back through the analytics of my videos and I replace that thumbnail, hoping that it'll get a better click-through rate. And then I go back, look at the analytics again, see if the click-through rate increased, looking at the bar graph of the click-through rate for the video. And if it does increase, then I keep that thumbnail. If it decreases, then I put back the original thumbnail, and then I start working on another thumbnail that I can test. So testing out your thumbnails, swapping out thumbnails of low click-through rate videos, in no way will this affect the video's performance other than the click-through rate on your YouTube videos. And the aim is to increase the click-through rate on your videos. So you might already have videos up. You can swap out the thumbnails on those videos in hopes for a better click-through rate, and this can help you blow up on YouTube. And also to note, if you can get a 60% average view duration on videos that are about 10 minutes long, as well as a 6% click-through rate, this is how your videos can absolutely blow up on YouTube. This is how I've had videos get over 10 million views on my channels. Tip number 7 is to focus on suggested videos. You might hear people out there saying YouTube's the biggest search engine in the world. You have to rank on YouTube. It's all about SEO, ranking on YouTube. And while SEO is important to start getting initial traction on your channel, you eventually want to leverage that traction into suggested videos. And this is how you can get a lot more views with suggested videos. Suggested videos are really the game when it comes to YouTube. For example, think about when you watch YouTube. You probably search something on YouTube maybe, or you just click a video off the home screen of YouTube. I'm sure you've been there, and I'm sure also you've been to the place where you watch 10 more videos after that initial video. Most people on YouTube do this, and this is the reason that suggested videos are so powerful. And suggested views are really the views that you want to be going after. You want to get your videos in the suggested video spot of already popular videos. When you start ranking there, your videos will absolutely explode. So how in the world do you actually get there? Well, first of all, instead of at the end of your videos, don't say anything like, "Thanks for watching my channel. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, like." By the time you say that, half the people watching are already gone. That kills your audience retention, and you'll see that in graphs if you do that at the end of your videos. Instead, give them a single call to action, a single call to action to watch another one of your videos. This will do a couple things. It'll keep people on YouTube, and also it'll build these feedback loops in your videos. So in your end screens, don't put a subscribe button, don't put in a link to your website or anything like that. Simply put another single video that you want people to watch after that video that relates to the video that they're currently watching. So let's say, for example, they're watching this video, how to blow up on YouTube from absolute scratch. I'm going to be guessing that if you watch this video, you're also very interested in how exactly I make money on YouTube without even showing my face, without recording videos or anything like that. And that is why at the end of this video that you're watching right now, I'm going to link to a video where I show you exactly how I make money on YouTube without making videos. I'm going to link to that video because it's something that the audience of this video, I'm guessing, is going to actually want to watch. And you know your audience the best, so you know which video they're going to want to watch next. And when YouTube sees people going from your first video to the second video that you're promoting at the end of that video, it starts building this loop and it starts putting that video in the suggested feed of the original video, as well as other popular videos on the platform. And this is how you can absolutely blow up on YouTube. Tip number 8 is to not give up if you don't see results right away. It's really imperative that you don't give up if you don't see results. I've had so many channels where I don't think they're going to blow up. I don't think they're going to get any traction or anything like that. And these have sometimes came out to be some of my most successful channels on YouTube. Little small tweaks, going in there, changing the thumbnails, and really making your channel the best is going to play a large part in your success on YouTube. And the final tip, tip number 9, this brings me into it, is analyzing and optimizing based off of the data. I already touched on looking at your click-through rate and swapping out thumbnails of videos, but also you really want to pay attention to your audience retention graph. For example, take a look at your video about a week later after you upload it and look at the audience retention graph on the video. It'll show you when audience retention spikes, meaning more people watch that point right there, and it'll show you when it drops. So that's where people click off the video. Now take a look at where people click off the video, take a look at where the audience retention graph drops, and cut that out. Never do that again in a future video. Take a look at where it spikes and try to incorporate that as much as you possibly can in as many future videos as you possibly can. So I hope these tips help you a ton. Hit the like button on this video if this helps you. Also, if you want to discover exactly how you can blow up on YouTube from scratch, I put together a completely free training that you can attend at the link in the description. This free training is going to help you a ton. It's exactly how I blow up YouTube channels from complete scratch, and more importantly, how I make money on YouTube without even showing my face, without recording videos or anything like that. At the link in the description, attend that free training. You will not regret it. We've had so many people get amazing success with just that free training down at the link in the description. So I really hope that this free training will help you. I know it will, as it's helped so many people. So click the link to the free training in the description. And also check out this video right here, which is going to show you exactly how I make money on YouTube without making videos, without showing my face, in a very weird niche. I'm going to show you how I monetize with this niche without even being monetized on YouTube. You're not going to want to miss this video right here. Click it. You will not regret it. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. I'll see you in the next video.